I got 8 hours to take the engine out and put it back together, and then there's gonna be a Volkswagen meet. So let's get going. First piece out. Now these intercooler pipes.
Toista toukokuusta.
Now we need to mount this thing to the car, to the engine, so it won't fall and all the water won't come out. No, eka lähti. Okay, and the reason why I took this apart is because there's no O-ring in that thing. And looks like you need to take the whole engine apart from the engine bay to get that thing out.
It's only 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
Not big repair.
Se on aika on just. Siinä just vielä. Okay, now when the engine is out, I can put some of this heat exhaust wrap on the downpipe, so when it gets hot, it won't damage the paint here. So let's put some on it. Niin. Kylmälä Customs will replace this later when I get the car in better shape. Okay, we start at the bottom. Okay, now there's a little knot on there, so it won't get free. And now I can just okay, now it looks very nice, but the Kylmälä Customs one will look even more nice. No. It's going pretty well, but we have only like 3 hours until the car show. And the car looks like this, so I'm gonna put the drive shaft in. Okay guys, I failed the challenge and I could not swap the engine or put it back together. It don't need to put the front end back and the drive shaft better in, and intercooler. Then it cold start, but this is for it for this video. And when I went to the Volkswagen car show, there was no Volkswagens there, so I don't lose anything with his not getting ready by the challenge. But thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.